Discuss the murders of Toronto billionaire couple Barry and Honey Sherman continues to be unsolved. But as CTV's Scott Lightfoot reports, the unsealing of a batch of documents is providing fresh details into the investigation being followed by folks around the world.
It is the last will and testament of the man at the center of one of the biggest unsolved murder cases in Canada. Recently released court documents shedding light on how Barry and Honey Sherman divided up their massive estates. The documents show that if Honey Sherman had survived her husband, she would have inherited his estate, and given that she didn't, the estate would be equally split between the couple's 4 children, though Sherman stipulated in his will that they were only to receive their full share once they had reached the age of 35. The Apotex founder had also revised his will just months before he died, dropping half of the trustees appointed to execute the will, including his 3 daughters. His son, son-in-law, and 2 business associates were left in charge, though one has since resigned the role. According to court filings, Honey Sherman did not have a will, and the combined value of the couple's personal property was listed at more than $112 million, with more than $10 million in real estate holdings. At the time of his death, Forbes estimated Sherman's worth to be more than $3 billion, with much of that money tied up in various holding companies. Also in the filings, copies of the death certificates, which list the date of death as December 15th, even though the couple was killed on the night of the 13th. Some of the couple's trustees had opposed the public release of the documents, submitting that there is a real and substantial risk that the applicants, the children, and their children will suffer serious harm, detriment, or injustice from public exposure of the materials, particularly in the circumstances that the identity and motivation of the perpetrator of the murders remains a mystery. On Friday, the Supreme Court of Canada disagreed, saying that a risk to safety was speculation and not based on any information from Toronto police. For their part, police tell CTV News that the release of the documents will have a, quote, negligible impact on the investigation, saying, "While we can't speak to specifics to protect the integrity of the investigation, we can confirm it remains active and ongoing, with investigative steps being taken every single day. We are committed to bringing closure and justice to the family and the community." The documents also show that despite donating millions of dollars to charity during their lifetimes, no money was set aside for charitable giving after their deaths. Scott Lightfoot, CTV News.